Hello, CiaoBellaPaper friends, and welcome to introduction of the tissue paper and the novelties of this March 2025 new collection. Tissue paper was definitely successful, and beside the first design, we enriched it with 10 new subjects in the bigger format. This one always hangable, so it's 70 per 50, and then we introduce the set A4 is 9 set with 6 sheets of different graphics inside. As you know, you can match all the design, you can reach it with the use of stencil, watercolor, so enjoy it. The tissue paper was the great success of the last collection, the beginning of the year. Here we go, enlarging the choice and proposing you the A4 set with 6 sheets with different designs. The inspiration is again romantic. The use is easy. Just apply with a glue, not so much waterly. Use a dry brush to make it more adherent. You can use the stencil, you can use watercolor on, and this format has been conceived for the tiny surfaces or tiny objects. All the sheets are hangable. Tissue paper, again, more romantic, roses. They perfectly match with the big paper, bigger size, but also each other. Very light, delicate atmosphere. Vintage style and not only. Light green atmosphere, white flower, perfect texture. And again, soft, comfortable to use, and perfect in the design and color. The blue one, how incredible are the colorings, the nuances, the many possibilities of use and applications. And then the notes of violet with roses and butterflies, with romantic butterflies, wooden texture, again handwritten. On the back of each, you will have all the design in. Again, tiny flowers, more wild inspiration here among the trees, and then newspaper style, Florence inspiration. Note, music, and texture. Roses, changing the atmosphere and the color, changing the background, changing the game of graphics. Romantic, same times modern. Tiny but huge effect. The blue back again here. There is some French inspiration here. And then the black and white. Newspaper, postcards, stamps, traces of ancient past, memories. Tissue paper, new collection in the big format, new designs. They are absolutely perfect with the previous one that you already presented. You can play with the stencil, stamp, watercolor, the softness, the thickness, the quality of printing, they all are perfect. Ideal for big surfaces. Thank you, dear friend, for the support and discovery of the tissue paper. Did you enjoy it? Are you curious to do more? Okay, stay tuned and follow us on our social media channel, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram and Facebook, and share your creation. Stay in touch. Bye!